For the security of Assam, strict vigilance and closure of Indo-Bangladesh border is very, very important. 5 states share Indo-Bangladesh border: Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam and West Bengal. Out of that, Assam has the smallest border, Bengal has the most, in a way they share highest area with Bangladesh. Our fight against infiltration always has a problem because there was a huge gap so far as fencing is concerned between West Bengal and India. Many organizations in Assam demands that you seal Indo-Bangladesh border in Assam. But that was meaningless. Sealing Assam border with India-Bangladesh border only in Assam is a meaningless without similar closure in West Bengal. So that was our issue for long. Yesterday, day before yesterday, Bengal cabinet has taken a very significant decision that within 45 days, BSF will be given land so that Indo-Bangladesh border can be completely secured. Fencing can be erected in 800 kilometers of stretch. So this is a very heartening news for the people of Assam because we are fighting with infiltration and this cannot be stopped without a nationalist government in West Bengal. So I wholeheartedly welcome the decision taken by the Bengal cabinet, more particularly Honorable Chief Minister of Bengal, Sri Shubhendu Adhikari. That was my campaign theme in entire election in Bengal, that without Bengal, northeastern region will remain always insecure. So Bengal decision is basically a very welcoming news for the people of Assam and people of Northeast. So I would like to compliment the Bengal cabinet for this historic decision.